Are you a diverse business owner struggling with the certification process? Do the millions of documents stress you out? Complex applications and confusing government portals have you feeling overwhelmed? If so, you're not alone, and you've come to the right place. My name is Christina, and I specialize in helping diverse owned businesses get certified and secure government and corporate contracts. Let me introduce you to my solution. The Beginner's Guide to Government and Corporate Contracting, the 6-Step System. This ebook isn't just a guide. It's a comprehensive toolkit designed to take the guesswork out of the certification process and set you on the path to success. This ebook will simplify the basics of government contracting at the local level and guide you through each step of preparing your certification application. From clarifying your NAICS codes to explaining the required documents, I've included everything you need, plus instructional videos that walk you through the most challenging topics and a principal workbook for you to complete. To date, I've helped dozens of entrepreneurs across the United States complete their MBE, WBE, DBE, and VBE certification applications. My clients have gone over to secure thousands of dollars in government and corporate contracts thanks to the coaching, courses, and resources I provide. The ebook alongside the ebook course and workbook are affordable and teach diverse businesses like you how to complete the diverse business certification applications on your own. Or you can work with someone. It needs to be a person who has great organizational and technical skills. You must trust them with your very personal information, and they should have at least 2 months and 10 hours a week to dedicate to the process of getting all the information required for the application and submitting the documents.